started J. Thomas Home out of our garage in 2016. Since then, we've helped over 100,000 customers find the shelves they need for their space. But most of them had questions. If you've got shelving questions, we've got answers. We're starting a new series called Ask the Shelving Experts. Let's get started. A lot of people want to know what's our most popular wood type and stain ordered. Right now, trending in interior design, you're going to find a lot of white oak in flooring, cabinetry, as well as floating shelves. Everyone loves that beautiful, natural, light wood color, and we actually don't often stain it. We simply apply our clear satin top coat to bring out that beautiful, natural wood color. While that's a favorite for sure, check out these walnut shelves behind me. I think you're going to start seeing design trending toward warmer wood tones, so walnut is a timeless classic that's also going to pair really well with the white and gray kitchens that have been trending too. Another question customers often ask me is, what stain color should I choose for my shelves? This definitely depends on your style and the current color scheme of the space. The good news is all of the J. Thomas Home finishes are gorgeous, so you can't make a bad decision. Ordering samples is a really great option so that you can see the colors in person and hold them up to other wood tones in your space. What I recommend, instead of trying to be matchy-matchy, just finding a complementary color that will tie in the rest of your decor. If you're still not sure what color is best for your space, snap and send a photo of your space to me and I'll gladly take a look. I'll see what color might be most complementary. Don't worry, I've seen it all, and we have kids at home too, so our house is a mess. Send your photos with the demolition, the dog, whatever it looks like, just send it. It'll help us find the best shelves for your space. Customers always ask me what size shelf is best for their space. This is going to depend where you plan to install the shelves. If it's going in a kitchen, I really recommend the deeper options, 9 1/4, 11 1/4. If it's going into a bathroom, maybe 2 shelves above your toilet, you're probably going to be able to get away with something shallower, 5 1/4, maybe 7 1/4 inches deep for those smaller pieces like frames, candles, small jars. Lengthwise, in a bathroom, 18 inches to 24 inches are both really, really popular. In a kitchen, probably longer, 30, 36 inches, maybe even our longest option, 46. One of my best tips for figuring out the size shelf you need for your space is, if you already have a few of the pieces you plan to display, go ahead and measure them. Some folks' dinner plates are only about 10 inches deep, but some of them have that extra lip around them, so you might want the deeper shelves at 11 1/4. Especially bathroom towels, I recommend just folding it how you normally fold, measure, and make sure that you have plenty of room on your shelf for your full bath towels or those larger bath sheets. Definitely gonna want 11 3/4 for those so it's not hanging over the front. Oh yes, this is a big one. Everybody wants to know, how much weight can the shelves support? We have a couple of different styles of shelving. We have the solid wood shelves that you can see behind me. They have a metal bracket for install, but we also have 3-inch thick shelves that have a wooden bracket. So on our website, you can find 2 videos about the installation process to learn more. But once you get them properly installed, and that means into wood studs or using heavy-duty toggler bolts, those shelves are going to very conservatively support 35 to 45 pounds. We've actually tested way more than that. So don't worry about your heavy china, that big stack of dinner plates, or all of the books that you plan to store on the shelves. They can take it. All right, we've made it to the number one most frequently asked question, and it is, how long will it take to get my floating shelves once I order? We custom cut every order upon order here at J. Thomas Home. So if you're looking for samples or one of the pine shelves, it's gonna take us about 5 business days. Any of the premium woods like white oak, walnut, maple, that's gonna take us a little bit longer, so 10 business days. From there, we carefully package your order and send it UPS ground, so it's usually about 3 or 4 more business days in transit from right here in Kansas City. I know, 10 business days. We're used to getting 2 business days, 1 business day, but good things take time. These shelves are going to be customized to perfectly fit your space. They're going to be the color that you need that's cohesive with the rest of your design. These are also solid wood shelves, so they're going to last. They're not going to warp or bend or buckle under the weight of more books as your collection grows, and they're going to keep your keepsakes safe and secure for many years to come. We find that this is the most sustainable process for our business. We're not wasting any wood on shelves that aren't being ordered. We're only making shelves as the orders are placed. So these shelves are custom made specifically for you. Another great thing is these shelves are real wood, and that's classic, it's timeless. That's going to help your design never go out of style. Thanks so much for tuning in to this first episode of Ask the Shelving Experts. I really hope that was helpful, but if you have other questions you'd like me to answer, just drop them in the comments below. See you next week.